Looking to customize your Cat5E network cables for a cleaner, more efficient setup? These modular RJ45 plugs offer the perfect solution. Crafted from high-impact clear polycarbonate, they're built to handle daily wear and tear without losing performance. Plus, their 50-micron gold-plated contacts ensure error-free data transfer, making them ideal for all your data needs. Designed specifically for terminating round solid or stranded Cat5E cables, these plugs meet FCC Part 68 requirements. That means you get a reliable connection every time, whether you're setting up a home office or expanding your network infrastructure. The 8x8 conductor position ensures compatibility with most standard network cables, so installation is straightforward. One of the biggest advantages is how these plugs allow you to run multiple devices over a single Cat5 cable. For example, if you have rooms with only one network cable, you can use these plugs at both ends to split the connection. This lets you connect two devices through one cable without compromising speed or reliability. Some users initially struggle with setup, but the key is understanding how to use them correctly. You need one plug on each end of the single cable, with patch cords connecting your devices and switch. Simply plugging two devices into one end won't work. But when done right, these plugs enable seamless multi-device connections over a single cable run. This solution is especially useful for small offices or homes where running extra cables isn't feasible. It saves you the hassle and expense of new wiring while maintaining solid network performance. If you want to make the most of your existing Cat5e cables, these modular plugs are worth a look. The durability and gold-plated contacts provide peace of mind, ensuring your data transfers stay clean and consistent. Whether you're upgrading your network or troubleshooting connectivity issues, these plugs deliver a practical and proven fix. If that's you, someone looking to optimize your network setup without rewiring, try these modular RJ45 plugs when you're ready. They simplify your cable management and keep your data flowing smoothly, making your network more flexible and reliable.